What is a background verification and why do all the companies do background verification before taking an employee into their organization? Hello friends, this is Sriteja Krishna from New Urban Light. Today, let us discuss what is background verification and what are the types of background verifications. See, background verification not only does happens in the corporate companies but also happens in various across other fields like banking sectors, or suppose if you're applying for any visa or passport or any other things, we do have different types of background verifications going on the back end. So let us know what are the types of background verification. First one is your identity verification. Second one is your address verification. Third one is your criminal verification. And fourth one is your employment verification. And fifth one is your educational verification. And sixth one is your online verification. And currently there is also a seventh type of verification which is currently happening in this work from home scenario, which is a verification through your PF. So let us in detail discuss about what are these verifications. Actually, your identity verification is nothing but verification which happens through government verified IDs. Suppose this verification happens through either through your driving license, Aadhaar card, or your PAN card, or voter ID, something like that. So whether they will check whether the given name and the address is currently the same or not. Second one is your address verification. In most of the company scenarios, these background verification team also checks about your present address and your permanent address. They physically go to the addresses and they check physically whether this person is present here or not. Whether if not, also they would check with the other members like family members or your roommates or any others who live with you, whether this so and so person is living here or not. Third one is your criminal verification. They will try to verify whether you have any criminal records onto you with the within the limits of your permanent address or the present address of the police stations, or do you have any judicial cases on you which are currently ongoing through their online judicial system, and so on. And next, coming to the employment verification. So in this verification, most of the background verification teams check about your previous companies, like might be your immediate old company, or two immediate old companies, or three immediate old companies. Depends upon the system. Depends upon the company and their policies. So here they check about your designation and what was your salary range and what was your notice period and what was your tenure over there. Whether the mentioned details, the furnished details by you are correct from your previous employer or not. So next to that, they check about next coming verification is education verification, where they check about your educational details, like about your masters or graduation within the university, whether the so and so person has been an alumni over there or not. So next to that, we have online verification, which is nothing but they check your profile on the internet, whether you are available on different mediums. This is because to know whether you are involved directly or indirectly with any political or any other public based teams or something like that. Finally, how the EPF verification works. See, how as an employee you have a PF account. In the same way, even employer will be also having a PF account where he or the organization adds all the employees to the their list, and they they credit your PF through that account. So what happens is they might be having an access where they can check whether the current employee whoever has joined the organization, whether what were the remittances of PF is happening currently in his PF account. Suppose you said there was so and so company which was earlier, and they will try to check whether this company, the same company which he mentioned in the system, is actually present in his PF old records or not. Suppose if you have absconded in any other the company and you had a PF remittance in your UAN, so basing on your UAN they check about this and they will ask you how this remittance has happened, and this was only for a small amount of time. Why didn't you shown this in your experience, and this experience is colliding with so and so experience or something like that. So this is how the background verification actually works. So why actually companies do background verification? See, most of the companies invest their lot of time, lot of investments and we have huge budgets on the recruitment and other things. See, you can't even imagine what the budget is allocated for one particular hire. So to make sure that employees are making a right decision with an employee who is having a perfect records, so that is the reason why they do background verification. So if you are visiting our channel for the first time, kindly please like, share, comment and subscribe us. And if you have any doubts about the background verification, or if you feel like we need to do any other things which is related to background verification or any career related videos, kindly please comment us. Thank you.